Do you want some round of applause? Sorry, I did not announce my name. Thanks, Vivek. Now, since you okay, now I'll try and make it as interactive as possible. We have time till 5. Vivek, correct me if I'm wrong. Which can be probably extended till 5:15. So we have 3 hours with some tea break, what break, snacks break or something.
Yeah, half an hour.
So whenever you guys feel bored, you can tell me, I can give you a break. Fine. So roughly 3 hours, I take it as 2.5 hours. Okay, now I want to share with you what the market has taught me in the last 95 to now. Is for 20 years now almost. Twice I lost my whole capital before 1995. I'll just tell you the power of technical analysis. Probably 195, 12, 10. Loss of, mark to market loss of 15 rupees. Correct? Into 400. If you have done 2 lots, 12,000. If you have done 3 lots, 18,000. So on and so forth. At that point in time, at 10:30, what goes on in your mind? Can anybody tell me here he is very happy? So tell me what goes on in your mind. Exactly what goes on in your mind. I am trying to cover the second and the third and together. I don't have a solution, but I can give you something that will work. Okay. अभी तो 9:30 बजे यार. Why waiting for the electric guitar? Easier said than done. You are not being true to yourself. Yes, ma'am. 9:30 को हमने सौदा मार लिया by based on our breakout. She is saying, why did you enter the trade at, correct? At 12:10. Opening नहीं, हमने opening नहीं, हमको we waited for first 15 minutes, proper trade लिया. See, there are people who justify everything that they do. Even if they do wrong, they will keep on getting stuck to that. And there are people who will, even if they do right, they will say मैंने गलत किया. Okay, I have taken a call at 12:10. अगर मेरे को मालूम होता कि 1195 आने वाला है तो मैं 12:10 में ट्रेड लेता नहीं लेता. Coming back. What I think is, can I say that मेरे को मजा आ रहा है? Can I say that? Can I say that मेरे को गुस्सा आ रहा है? आप दिखाओगे नहीं, ओके? लेकिन तभी आपके कुछ बीबी ने आके बोल दिया, देखो कैसे रिएक्ट करते हैं. Let us go to SBI. See, I have put a line at 50. Now I don't see a very clear listing in SBI. Any other stock?
Axis Bank.
Axis Bank. And I will check that 30 minutes candle with the reference to the last 10 और उसका अगर एवरेज बड़ा है 404, 405, whenever it closes above 405, I will take a trade. Okay. When has this happened? 25th of May, correct? हम 26th May को चलते हैं. 25th of May. 26th of May, it has not gone. What was that level? 405 we wanted. See this candle. What is the close? 406. जैसे ये कैंडल क्लोज होता है, I can take the trade. It is the same. 404 तक. See this, okay? Last half an hour, see this side of the candle? Next day, you saw in the first candle. In fact, I tell you, trading in the first 30 minutes and trading in the last 30 minutes or 45 minutes on the outer side is what you should do. Vivek is nodding his head, so I am on the right track. And I am very serious. I'll tell you a story, very, very short. And not story, a fact. I had a client. Some 10, 12 years, I have no other solution. Whether he went for the movie or not, I don't know. But his life changed. I ask you the first question, why do you trade? If you trade for thrill, you will never make money. You go to a casino, do you make money in a casino? No. You have fun, no? So you pay a price for having fun, correct? If you want to make serious money, you have to accept the monotonity, those hours of patience, that frustration of not the market not doing anything for you. 2020 में भी आजकल लोग प्लेट करते हैं, हर बॉल पे 6 नहीं मारते, correct? Okay.
So what was the system?
I told you, no, I did not ask him, he did not tell me. Now what are the basic tools I use? That is what I want to share with you. How many times has it happened to you that you have entered a stock, long or short? Say, एक लॉट लिया, 2 लॉट ली, जो भी आप करते हो, एक दिन या 2 दिन या एंड ऑफ द डे आपको 2% रिटर्न आए, लॉट साइज 1000 था तो आपने 10,000 रुपये बना लिए, करेक्ट? ऐसे तो हुआ होगा कि नहीं होगा? You exited at 10th candle, 27 and 24, तो इसको सेकेंड कट माना, 1, 2. Yeah.
So basically after crossover, you have to take out
Immediate second candle में crossover होता है that from the bottom of the stochastics, that is the first cut. फर्स्ट कट के साथ अगर वही दिन पे आरएसआई ने भी क्रॉसओवर दे दिया, ओके, और समटाइम्स वो दिन पे नहीं देता है, फिर आई लुक एट द इंट्राडे, अगले दिन मॉर्निंग आरएसआई ने दे दिया इन अ स्पैन ऑफ 2 कैंडल्स, एंड सेकेंड डे आई डोंट वेट फॉर द क्लोजिंग ऑफ द कैंडल, बिकॉज कभी कभी अच्छे 5-7% की भी निकल जाती है, ट्रेडर आर प्लेइंग फॉर दैट. So, agar stochastics, which is my primary indicator, has already given me a first cut, and next day RSI is giving me a cut live in the market hours at 10:30, I wait for the hourly closing and take the. I don't wait for the closing of the day. Are you with me? But for that you need live charts. Okay. This particular combination filters out a lot of whipsaw or false signals. Okay. Now see this. Is this the first cut of the stochastics? Where I place the cursor? I am talking of this point, correct? Now at the same point keep the cursor there and see the RSI. Don't look at the levels of the RSI, 50 होगा, 60 होगा, 70 होगा, as long as it is not above 80 for buying and below maybe 25 or 30 for selling. Okay? Level RSI का level मत देखो. Now this is what I term as a double crossover. Are we together? आप अगर डबल क्रॉसओवर स्पॉट करते हो, आपको RSI में 50 स्टॉक आते हैं, बाय में डबल क्रॉसओवर में सिर्फ 5 है. Who had asked me a question? आपने पूछा. This is how any software can do it for you. I talked of this. I think all of you are fairly or maybe very good in M1, fairly good in M2. M3 is something you have